Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So on the menu today we are making my leaf actually. So here I have 2 cups of beans which I'm going to be soaking for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, guys, I'm going to transfer into my mortar because this process actually make peeling your beans very easy and fast. So I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to kind of peel it, and in less than 2 minutes, guys, you are done peeling your beans. So yeah, I love using this method. And when that is ready, I'm going to transfer that into a bowl. And I notice the bowl I'm using is not big enough, so I transfer that to a bigger bowl to kind of take out the shaft from the beans. And after getting rid of all the shaft, I'm going to soak my beans in a clean water for the next 30 to 40 minutes. And after that, I'm going to add pepper, that's bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and crayfish. And I'm going to take that to blend. Right now, there's no light, and that's why I'm taking it to commercial blender to do that for me. And now I have my leaves here because I'm making my leaf, leaf my whatever you want to call it. And this is me washing my leaves so that it will be very clean and get rid of any dirt attached to it. And next, I'm going to take out the stem halfway, just so that when it starts time for me to fold it, it will be easy for me to fold, if you get what I mean. But later you get to see that. And now my beans is nicely blended because it's very smooth. But now I'll be adding my seasoning, dried shrimps, salt. You can add anything you like. But right now, I just realized that my camera stopped working at some point. Though I've added my boiled shredded mackerel fish, added fish stock as well. Then this is me adding warm water to kind of loosen the batter up as well. And also I'll be adding some vegetable oil as well. So you can just add any ingredient, anything you want to add to your my just the way you want it. If you have boiled liver, you can as well add it. But now we are here into the business of the day, how to wrap the my guys. This is how you do it. You fold it into a cone shape. This is me using a single leaf at this point. You can also double it, which I'll be showing you the both method. So now I've folded my leaf, and also you add your butter into that. And also I have boiled egg as well, so I have a little slice and added to that. I'll fold it like so. Just watch it, and you get the picture of what I'm doing. And now this is the second method, which is folding with 2 leaves, just to avoid spillage or whatever. Just to be on the safer side, I also advise you use double leaf. Okay, so I folded into cone shape just as I did the first one. Then I'm going to add in my butter. You just add you add the quantity you want to it. And then I'm going to add my egg and fold it properly, in order to seal it to avoid any spillage. But yeah, this refused to fold very well. You can see the space at the middle part. But yeah, that's the only one that I think didn't cover very well. And this is another one also that I folded. And that is it, guys. I hope you find this very easy to do when next you're making your meme. And now I'm going to add those folded meme into a pot. I'll be adding water to my pot and put that in and let that boil for the next 30 to 40 minutes. I think it won't even get up to 30, 40 minutes before your meme is ready. And now our meme is ready, guys. And I love how soft it is, because it's also good you add water to this so that when it cools down, it's adding up. So I really don't like meme that will be choking my throat. And guys, this tasted so good. After I finished with this wrap, I needed to get another one. And guys, I finished it like two wraps, and I enjoyed this so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.